Hello all, welcome to the official channel of Birla Public School Ganganagar. This is reporter Medha Agarwal from class 9th A wishing you all a very happy Labour's Day. Today PPSG organized a special assembly focused on the theme of Labour Day with echoes of appreciation resonating in our hearts, honoring the resilience of supporting staff of our school. Students began the day by the Om chanting to calm their mind. Students then recited the school pledge, reaffirming the commitment to its values.
India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. All Indians are my brothers.
Thought-provoking quotes in both Hindi and English were shared, emphasizing the significance of labor.
आज का हिंदी सुविचार है, अंधेरे कमरे में जलने वाला प्रकाश बल्ब की तरह अनुभूति हमारे दिमाग को रोशन कर सकता है और हमें एक नए अंतरिक्ष की ओर ले जा सकता है. जिज्ञासा बनाए रखें और खोज के लिए खुले.
Today's English word of the day is just like a light bulb turning on in a dark room. Epiphanies can illuminate our minds and lead us to new insights. Stay curious and open to discovery.
Later, synonyms of the word कर्मचारी were spoken.
आज का पर्यायवाची शब्द है कर्मचारी, कोई काम करने वाला और मजदूर.
Mnemonics were instilled in the minds of students with the knowledge of God.
The mnemonics of the day is God. G stands for generator, O stands for operator, and D stands for disturb.
Students delivered heartfelt speeches honoring the hard work of our supporting staff members.
Today, as we gather here to celebrate Labour's Day, a day dedicated to honoring the contributions of workers worldwide. Labour's Day reminds us the importance of hard work, dedication, and role each one of us plays in building our community. These are the wonderful individuals who work tirelessly behind the scenes, making sure everything in place for us all. In the words of Abraham Lincoln, who was a firm believer in free labor, free soil, free men, labor is before, and independent of capital.
Through poetry, words of admiration were woven in for our supporting staff members, whose sweat and toil prepares a path for our progress.
सपनों को आकार जो देता, देश को विकास जो देता, कंधों पर बोझ रहे हमेशा, पर कर्म करने से कभी न डरता.
Many engaging activities were done like GK questions, Bharat Jano amazing facts and number facts, which added spark to the assembly.
Today's GK questions are: question number 1. Which state is also known as the fruit ball of India? The answer is Himachal Pradesh.
In India, Labour's Day was first celebrated on 1 May 1923 by a political party known as Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan.
Sudan has twice as many as pyramids in Egypt. Fact number 2. In Copenhagen, there are more bicycles than cars in the street.
Fact number 1. Perfect squares are numbers which can be expressed as squares of integers. Example 25.
The time information was shared, including maximum and minimum temperature of the day.
Today's sunlight hours are 13 hours 20 minutes and moonlight hours are 10 hours 40 minutes. Today's sunrise time was 5 a.m. 52 minutes and sunset time will be 7 a.m. 12 minutes.
Curiosity was created by asking the question of the day.
Today's question of the day is, what is life?
The assembly featured the information about the phases of the moon and unraveling the mystery of the myth.
Myth of the day is, a penny dropped from the top of the Eiffel Tower can kill someone.
The assembly enriched our knowledge about Hindi Panchang. Interest was ignited by the riddles of the day.
आज का पंचांग है दिनांक 1 मई 2024, वार बुधवार, तिथि अष्टमी, पक्ष कृष्ण पक्ष, मास वैशाख, विक्रम संवत 2081.
Following it, the birthday cards were given to the birthday stars by Principal Sir. At last, our Principal Sir delivered his words of appreciation and gratitude for the immense value of labor done by our helping hands.
The safe arrival, the safe dispersal, the commutation, anything, whatever you able to enjoy in the school. Of course, a big reason is that we have got lovely and responsible hands behind that.
Concluded with the national anthem, instilling a sense of unity and pride in the students. Birla Public School Ganganagar, a step ahead.